you turn around and look at Mom? He's gonna turn around. Turn around. Yeah, turn. Look. Okay.
Eyes, okay?
Okay.
Then we'll look at his ears, okay? All right, good. Yeah. When you look at your eyes, okay? You take him to the eye doctor, right? Doesn't need glasses?
No.
Open your mouth. Say ah. Say ah. Stick your tongue out. Stick it out. Stick your tongue out.
Tongue
You can't stick his tongue out? Stick it out.
Upper कर लो. बाहर कर. Tongue बाहर कर.
Good, okay? That's good, yeah. And you look at this ear, okay? Look at this ear. Yes, he's got lots of wax in that ear.
Yeah.
He's got lots of wax in both ears. We'll talk about that in a few minutes, okay? And your knees relax, okay? Relax. Okay, let me listen to your lungs. Big breath in and down. Keep going, in. Okay, you're gonna lie down. And listen to your heart. Okay, take a big breath in and down. In and down. Can you undo his pants? Make sure the penis and testicles are normal. Help him do his pants, okay?